This is our smart dual nozzle 3D printer. Two nozzles work together or work alone without disturbing each other. Nozzle 1 and Nozzle 2. The model TLD3 3D printer has three working modes. Working mode 1, working alone. It can control the number 1 nozzle to print alone and also can control the number 2 nozzle to print alone. Working mode 2, working together for thin printing. It can control the two nozzles to print two identical models at the same time. Double printing will be much more efficient than traditional 3D printers, can save your time better. Working mode 3, working together for two-corner printing. Two nozzles can interactively print a two-corner model. In this way, we can print a variety of vivid models.
This is a new type of 3D printer. Compared with the traditional 3D printers, it is a crystallization of creativity and innovation. Also has all characteristics of a traditional 3D printer with faster printing speed. And with these advantages, flexible control of two nozzles, ability to print two-corner mixing models, ability to print multiple spurs to build complex models, and so on.